Today, we want to get a little more in-depth with Autel's new BLE TPMS sensor. Over the past several years, we have seen Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE TPMS sensor technology emerge in our industry. These new systems have become standard equipment on newer Tesla models. Traditional TPMS sensors operate on two different radio frequencies, 433 and 315 MHz. New Bluetooth TPMS systems operate at 2.4 GHz. This band offers more flexibility in the way that the TPMS sensor communicates with the vehicle. One such advantage to BLE sensor technology is that it not only allows the sensor to communicate with the car, but the car to communicate with the sensor. A normal TPMS sensor is only able to transmit a signal to the vehicle, whereas the BLE sensor can communicate back and forth, taking advantage of new concepts like over-the-air software updates that could change or enhance the way the sensor operates. Our engineering team has created the best aftermarket BLE TPMS sensor available, and today we're going to share with you a typical diagnose and replacement scenario using our ITS600 TPMS and service tool. Remember, the MX-Sensor BLE is currently compatible with late model Teslas 3, Y, S, and X right out of the box, with no programming required. Our ITS600 and TS900 offer the unique ability to test the sensor. If you're currently using the TS508 or TS508 Wi-Fi, contact your Autel dealer to discuss upgrading your tool so you can service and repair BLE TPMS equipped vehicles. We're working on a 2023 Tesla Model 3. First, we'll test the TPMS BLE sensors using the ITS600. We can see the right side front sensor is no longer responding when we try to activate it. We're going to need to install a new Autel BLE TPMS sensor in the right side front wheel of this Tesla. Let's break down the tire and replace the sensor. Install the valve stem and make sure the nut is torqued to 4 Nm with the help of the fixed rod. Then, align the TPMS sensor body with the stem and tighten the included screw. Let's remount our tire, make sure our pressures are correct, and go for a ride. The BLE sensors will automatically relearn, so after a few minutes of driving, the Model 3 will recognize the sensor. That's all there is to it. For more information on the MX-Sensor BLE or any of Autel's products and services, visit us at autel.com. We'll see you next time.